make 3-2-1 chicken breast, just like you do the 3-2-1 ribs, but we're going to use chicken. I know it sounds a little crazy, but before we get started, if you would, please click the subscribe button, watch this video all the way through, then go to our channel. I've got a lot of great videos on all kinds of different meats. Check out the other videos. I hope you enjoy them all. They're very easy to follow and easy recipes. That's the way we like it over here at Man Kitchen Recipes.
Okay, the first thing you want to do is wash the chicken and then get it dry really well. Get a paper towel and make sure you get all the moisture off of it. We're going to be adding some olive oil on here, so you want to make sure the water's gone so the oil will stick. And that's all there is to this part. And of course, wash your hands real well after you touch the chicken. Now we're just going to add a little bit of olive oil. You just need to drizzle just a little bit on top of each piece. And then brush it on. If you can use a brush, keep your hands clean. It's very simple. Then, of course, you want to flip them over and put olive oil on the other side. This, of course, is just the basic thing that I do with all the chicken. You always coat it with some olive oil. Sometimes I'll add salt, sometimes I won't. I like to use the garlic pepper. It's great flavor on everything, including, you know, even vegetables when you're making vegetables. And here's the garlic pepper that I'm talking about. Just coat it on both sides. And of course, you know, I mean, this is, I don't know, second, third, fourth chicken video. We eat a lot of chicken, and there's several ways to make it. This is just another one. Okay, now we're going to flip the chicken over and put the garlic pepper on the other side. That's it. Okay, we got our chicken ready here at the Tailgater. Have it set at 200. It's currently at 220, 225. It must have just dropped some pellets. It'll mellow out. So let's get these chicken breasts on here. The top says 200. I think we're good to go. Okay, so we got all 3 chicken breasts on here. We're gonna let them smoke for 1 hour. And as I mentioned, then we're gonna wrap it in foil, just like you do pork ribs, the 3-2-1 method, but we're gonna do 1 hour, then 30 minutes unwrapped with barbecue sauce. Okay, so we're gonna do the 130 chicken, like a 3-2-1 ribs. I'm gonna use some soft squeezed butter, some brown sugar, and some honey. Now, if you ever wondered how to keep your brown sugar soft, just put a little piece of bread on the top when you before you close it back up. And then, of course, when you wrap it back up, put a fresh piece of bread back in there. So first thing we're going to do is get some brown sugar on here. I'm going to wrap all 3 chicken breasts in one foil. There's no sense in wrapping them separately. Get our brown sugar, some honey, and some soft butter. Okay, now we get the chicken on. Okay, we're at the 1 hour mark. Tailgater's running at 210. Still showing 200 up at the top. Chicken's looking good. this on the, let's see, we'll put that side down. Okay, now we'll get the butter, honey, and brown sugar on top. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is put some butter on there. And that's why I have another one. Okay, some more brown sugar. Like I said, just like your ribs, 3, 2, 1. Brown sugar, butter, and a little bit of honey. I've got 2 pieces of foil that I'm going to wrap them in, heavy duty foil. Wrap them up fairly tight, not too tight, but tight enough. Okay, the first hour was for the smoke. The second hour we're going to have in the foil, and I think I'm going to turn the temperature up to 225, and then we'll go for an hour. Okay, let's get this chicken back on the smoker, a little tailgater, and we'll see you in an hour. Okay, so since the chicken is wrapped and in the smoker for the second hour, while that's getting ready, I'm going to get some barbecue sauce ready to put on the chicken. And I like to use Sweet Baby Ray's, but I don't like it real thick on chicken. So let me just show you what I do. I put a little apple juice in it and mix it up, and it'll be just the right thickness and perfect for chicken. Check it out. I'm going to make up some barbecue sauce. We use Sweet Baby Ray's, but I like to thin it down because with chicken, I just don't like the barbecue sauce real thick and heavy. So usually for this 3 pieces of chicken, I'll just use a cup of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And then I'm going to thin it down with some apple juice, only about 1/4 cup. I'll mix it in here, kind of eyeball it. And then I'll mix it around and try to get the barbecue sauce off the sides here. And then dump it on in, mix it up. Got to stir for a little bit and let it all blend. So I'll be right back here. Takes a couple minutes for it to all mix together. Get all around the edges. But it does thin it out just enough. Not too thin, but just enough for a nice coating on the chicken. Okay, it's a little thick still. I think I might add a little bit more apple juice. Just a little bit, not too much. We'll get this all mixed and we'll be good to go. Okay, looks like we got it at the right consistency. It's about like that. See, not too thin, not too thick. I think that'll work out great. Okay, 1 hour in of being wrapped. Get those off of here and check them out. Okay, so we coat the chicken in this barbecue sauce that's been thinned out with a little bit of apple juice. Get those back on the smoker. You don't want too thick of barbecue sauce with the chicken. So this being thinned out a little bit, it's just right. Okay, we're going to let that barbecue sauce set for about 25-30 minutes. We'll check the internal temp and make sure it's at 165, which it should be, and we're leaving it at 225 for the last 20 to 30 minutes. While I'm waiting for the last 20 to 30 minutes on that chicken, I just thought I'd let you know that that little tailgater I picked up at Walmart. It was on sale. It performs just as well as my Pro Series 1100. Of course, it's a lot smaller, but if you're looking for a small smoker, you don't have a whole lot of space, you live in a townhouse or apartment or whatever that allows a grill or something, you might want to consider one of these tailgaters. It works great, it's fuel efficient, it's got a 5-pound hopper, and it lasts. It does a great job, so just wanted to throw that in, and let's get on with the chicken. Okay, it's time to get these off of here and take them inside. Here it is after I cut into it, and man, does this look delicious. We might just have to give this a try. Man, that chicken was delicious. Juicy, tender. We eat a lot of chicken. We're looking for different ways to make it. And this 3-2-1 method, 1-1-30, it's a great way to cook chicken. Hope you enjoyed this video, and again, be sure to subscribe to our channel. I like making videos that people can see, so give us some viewership. Thanks, have a great day, and thanks for watching.